Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I said hey you guys. I never introduce myself like that. But hey guys, what is up? If you guys are new or passing by, hello, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. Today we are talking all about the products, all my beauty favorites, all my makeup, all my everything that I was loving in the month of November, and I cannot believe I'm even saying that the month of November is gone. It is absolutely insane. I know that everybody says that, but seriously, I was just thinking the other day, I was like, oh my god, literally 6 months ago, my daughter asked me, she's like, Mom, when is Christmas? I am ready for Christmas. And I was like, ooh, girlfriend, like, todavía nos falta. We just started the year, so you need to relax. And look at us now. Here we are, friggin' 6 months later, and it's Christmas. It was like I blinked and Christmas was here. Anyway, I feel like that was such an unnecessary rambling, but yeah, if you guys want to know what products I have been totally loving in the month of November and kind of October, then just keep on watching. I feel like I haven't done this in a hot minute, so I am gonna let you guys know what shows I've been loving lately. You guys, I have a sick obsession with crime shows. Like, it's really bad. That is all I watch 24/7. It's just really intriguing and fascinating to me. So a show that recently launched or aired on TV was BodyCam. It came out in the ID channel on Tuesday. Me and my fiance watched it at night, and oh my god, we watched both of the episodes because we just couldn't stop watching it. It is so crazy what goes behind, you know, the eyes of the camera and all these cops that put their life at risk every single day to keep us safe. And oh my god, you guys have to watch it. If you guys have that channel, the ID Go, please watch BodyCam. It is so good, and it's all real life events, so watch it. Also on Netflix, there's been so many good shows that have been recently added. I just recently finished watching The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and let me tell you that this is very different from the OG Sabrina the Teenage Witch. If you guys grew up watching that, oh my god, please let me know in the comment section down below, because I remember waiting for the bus. My mom was making me some chocolate abuelita, and then I would watch TV in the morning, and my show was Sabrina the Teenage Witch. That was my jam. If you guys watch that Netflix one, don't expect it to be anything like the original Sabrina. This is definitely more gory and super evil, and yeah, it's a little bit creepy, but I really liked it. Also, my mom and I have been binge watching Narcos and La Reina del Sur. Woo, girl, that novela is really good, and I usually don't watch novelas. So if you guys have seen any of those, let me know in the comment section down below, or let me know what shows you guys have been loving, because I am on the hunt for something new. I am going to share with you guys what I'm wearing on my lips, because this lip combo is just perfection. I have been wanting to wear a pink lip for such a long time, and I couldn't find the right lipsticks to pair together. So this is a combo that I am wearing on my lips today, and it's a little dramatic. It's kind of a lot of products, but I mean, so the first thing that I did is I lined my lips with my lip liner by Italia, which is a soft brown. You guys already know. That's all I use. And then I went in with the Rimmel London and Kate lipstick. This is number 43. It's just the Kate lipstick. And this is what it looks like. This color is so beautiful. This is the lipstick that I wore on top of my lip liner, and it's very, very creamy. And then I went in with the Buxom Pink Champagne lip gloss. And then on the top, I just really wanted to have that extra like wet glossy look on the lips, so I put a little bit of the Makeup Revolution lip topper and Exquisite. I knew that this lip topper was going to pair very well with a pink lipstick, and I was totally right. So this is the lip combo that I'm wearing right now, and I think I'm going to be wearing this a lot more often. I wanted to share with you guys some products that I've been loving. Oh crap, I forgot my other products in my bathroom upstairs, and I'm too lazy to go get it. Okay, I'm just going to put a picture right here and show you guys what I'm talking about because I really don't want to go upstairs. I recently changed my skincare routine because my skin was so dry, and I know I've told you guys this a lot, but it has been really dry. So I started using again the Lancome Genifique Concentrate Youth Activating Serum. I am low. Literally, it's all the way down here. I received this from Lancome a while ago. I have not been able to put it down. I have seen such a difference on my skin as far as like the texture. I used to have a lot of texture up here, and now my skin is just so soft. And then I also added this into my skincare routine recently. This is the Skin Deva 20% vitamin C and E. I cannot speak all. This also contains ferulic acid, which I don't know what it is, but it seems to be working on my skin. I apply this and then I go in with this and I just massage it all over my skin, and oh, my skin hasn't looked this good in such a long time. And then I go in with my moisturizer, which is the Clinique Super Surge something moisturizer. It comes in like a peach looking little jar. I will insert a picture here or here. I have been loving that one so much. I use a heavy amount at night and it just absorbs into my skin. My skin drinks it, and the next day it is so soft and plump. Ugh, I am in love. Oh, and really quickly, I wanted to mention that I bought a little face wash. So I invested into a little silicone brush. I ordered this one off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in buying it, I'll have a link down below. But it's a small little brush, and what I liked about this one is that the head is movable, so you can really get into your skin and wash it. I had one of those little silicone ones that you just hold with your fingers and just wash your skin or wash your face, and it was super inexpensive. It was $15 or less, definitely, and I like it. I like it. Apparently, I am obsessed with like hydration and moisturizing my skin. I have been loving these products so much. These are the E.L.F. Booster Drops, and this one is the hydration, and this one is the sunkissed. This one, obviously, it hydrates your skin. You can add it with your moisturizer or your foundation. I have been mixing it with my foundation, and Lord, this stuff is amazing, you guys. If you haven't tried this, run to your local Ulta right now and try it out. This is going to change the way you apply your foundation. If you have extremely dry skin, please try this. It has worked for me that I'm oily, and it hasn't clogged my pores. It hasn't broken me out. It just, my skin drinks it up. And then the sunkissed one, I've only been using this one for about a week, and I like it. I don't know that I see a difference. This one is supposed to add a sun-kissed healthy glow to your skin. I don't really see that, but I still like them both, so I don't know. Another product that I wanted to mention really quickly is the Farah Brushes Tweezers. We got these in one of our box charm. I don't remember if it was the last one or the one before that one, but these tweezers are the best thing man has ever made, okay? I love these so much. It comes with this side, which is a more flat pointed side, and then it comes with the pointy side, which is this one. This one is going to pull out any thin little hairs, like the ones around here, the ones around your eyebrows, or the ones at the very end. These ones here always hurt so bad, and they make my eyes water, but with these tweezers I can literally just tweeze them away y ni me duele. And these just take out everything. So if you guys have been wanting some good tweezers, invest into some of these. And I don't even think these were that expensive. I'm only going to speak about 3 more products, and that is it. Actually 4. Really quickly, I wanted to mention the Too Faced Banana Cream. It's bananas setting powder. You guys saw that I used this in my last makeup tutorial, and I have been loving this. I only have used it a few times, but that tells you a lot. I usually don't use these powders to set underneath my eyes. I'm a big fan of baking, but I have been looking for something that wouldn't dry my under eye area so much, and I found it. I got a cute little PR package from Too Faced, and I saw this, I was like, not a big fan of them, but I'm gonna try it. And let me tell you guys, this is what I'm using right now, what I'm wearing underneath my eyes. My under eye area looks so bright. I feel like my eyes look awake. This is so soft and finely milled that my under eyes feel so soft. I am obsessed with this. I really, really, really like it, and I like how it sets my concealer as well, which is exactly what I was looking for. This is another one from my Ulta haul. This is the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Saddle. I'm not gonna lie, when I first opened it and I showed it to you guys on camera, I was like, ooh, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. It looked very cool toned. It didn't look warm. It didn't look like it was just going to look good on my skin. And that's why you don't speak before knowing, Carinita, because I learned my lesson. This is a bronzer that I'm wearing on my skin right now, and woo, girl, it is a bomb. If you are a morenita like me, like my skin color, pick this shade up. You guys are going to go crazy over it. I really, really, really like it. Good job, Anastasia. I have been obsessed with this highlighter. It's the one that I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. I love how intense this is without you trying. It's just like, bam, highlight. Unfortunately, mine broke. Do you guys see? There's a crack somewhere right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I am taking care of her like no other. I don't want her to break, and I love the new packaging that Ofra has. It's so classy and pretty. Even though it gets super dirty, it's still really cute. And that is it. Those were all the products that I was loving in the month of November. As always, share with me what you guys were loving, because I am always on the hunt, okay? Also, I do have an E.L.F. haul coming to you guys. I ordered a little bit of stuff from their Cyber Monday sale, so make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you turn on your bell notification so you guys can see when that haul is going up. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!